Hello and welcome to our grammar lesson titled Nouns. This is the first lesson in your book 14.1. So as we have revised before and studied many times about nouns, first of all, what is a noun? A noun is the name of a person, place or thing. So a noun is a name. It is a name of a person. For example, a girl, a woman, a boy, a teacher, or a place like a school, a garden, a police station, or a thing like a car, a bed. Okay, all these are nouns. A noun is a part of speech. It is a word that names something. Okay, so this is a part of speech. Of course, what are other parts of speech? Like adjectives, verbs, adverbs, prepositions. Okay. The types of nouns, like we said, people. We have here runner, Mrs. Fisher, and sailor. What is the difference between these? For example, runner and Mrs. Fisher. Runner is a common noun, while Mrs. Fisher is a proper noun. It's the same between Anne and the sailor, if I can point here. Okay, Anne here is a proper noun, while sailor is a common noun. We have studied these before in the previous grades. Places, we have here Ohio. This is a state in the United States. Theater, stadium, Rocky Mountains. So what is the difference between, for example, a stadium and the Rocky Mountains? The Rocky Mountains is a proper noun, the same as Ohio, proper noun, while theater and the stadium are common nouns. The last column, we have things like movie, hunger, race, love. Everything. All these are nouns of things, I mean. Now we'd like to identify the nouns. This is the first exercise that you will see in your book. Identify the noun by underlining the noun. So you're going to underline all the nouns, whether they are proper nouns or common nouns. Here in this first sentence, in order to find out, so this is the rule. This is the rule. In order to find out whether a word is a noun, look at how it is used in a sentence. How is it used in the sentence? And then you can figure out whether it is a noun or an adjective or a verb. If the word names, so if it is a name of a person, a place or thing, it is a noun. So let's look at some examples. Let's also identify the nouns in the following sentences. As I said before, you're going to underline the proper nouns and the common nouns. The first one, Robert runs every day. Now in this sentence, you're gonna find two nouns. The first one is, yes, Robert, which is a proper noun. Robert runs every day. Now, can you find out another noun? Of course, you have here runs is a verb, while every is an adjective. Remember the adjectives? Yes. So we have day. This is another noun. Okay. Number 2, we raced in Canada. Now, who can tell me where is the noun here? Very easy. Canada is the noun. It's a proper noun, a name of a country. That's why it is capitalized. Also the same as Robert. Robert is also capitalized. Okay. Her breathing was loud. We're gonna here look at the word. Where is the noun here? Is loud a noun? Loud is an adjective. Loud is an adjective. So where is the noun? Was is the verb. Very well. Her is an her is a pronoun, and so where is the verb? Obviously it's breathing. Is the noun. Obviously breathing is the noun. Okay, these sentences are about races and runners and the hurdles. That's why I have this picture, and so that we can figure out what the sentences are about. Identify the nouns. We are still identifying the nouns. Okay, meets include many different events. So what do you think meets is? Is it a verb? Cannot be. Here meets means like meetings. So this is the first noun and it's the subject. Include is the verb. Many is an adjective, different. And what about events? This is another noun because it's a name of something, a thing. Okay, number 2. Edward runs the hurdles. You know what are the hurdles? Hurdles, these obstacles that the runner, while they are running, have to jump over the hurdles. Okay, so Edward is a name of a person. So it's a proper noun. We said we're going to also include the proper nouns. So Edward, I like this name. And runs, obviously it's the verb. The, an article. What about hurdles? This is a name of a thing. This thing that they jump over. Okay, number 3. First is of course an adverb. The runners wait for the signal to start. Very well. So where is the first noun here? Okay. By the way, if you want to think about all the sentences before I start explaining, you can pause the video and then answer the question. Write, for example, you can write in a paper all the nouns, okay, and then continue listening to the video and see if your answers are correct or no. So the first one is runners, and it is the subject. The runners wait. What is wait? Verb. For the signal to start, which is another. There is another noun here. The signal to start. Where is the other noun? A signal. What about to start? This is a verb. Okay. They, number 4. They place their feet. What about place here? Place here is the verb. They place, they put their feet. Place here means put, is the verb. They place their feet in starting blocks. Very well. Who's going to tell me where is the first noun? We have more than one noun here. Okay, so obviously the first one is feet, their feet. There is a pronoun. And starting blocks. What about the word blocks? Yeah, these are the blocks. They start here in these. Okay, they put their feet in this place. So blocks is a noun of a thing. The last one, a loud bang signals the start of the race. You have to think. First of all, try to find out where is the verb in the sentence. A loud bang signals the start of the race. Signals is the verb. Okay, mind here that signal here is a noun, while here is a verb. Many words in English are like this. Sometimes they are used as nouns, and the same word is used as a verb. So you have to think about the sentence before you start finding which word is the noun, which word is the verb. So a loud bang. So where is the noun here? Loud is an adjective, so the noun is bang. Signals the start of the race. Here you have the, and then the comes before nouns, so we have start here is a noun. Of the race we have again the, and then the word race, which is another noun. Yes, this is the hurdle. Do you see this runner is jumping over something, and this is the hurdle. Okay, all runners race toward the finish line. Okay, so where is the first noun? Definitely it's runners. Race is the verb. Toward the finish line, and yes, line here is the noun. Okay, so actually finish also is in the noun, so finish line. We're going to take this lesson tomorrow inshallah about the compound nouns that are not really one word. For example, finish line. But now I know which line I mean. If I say finish only, it doesn't have the full meaning. If I say line only, it doesn't really mean that it is the finish line. Okay, so finish line is a noun. Okay, number 2, 10 barriers. 10 barriers stand along the track. I have here stand as the verb. It's very easy to find out the parts of speech in a sentence to find out the verb at the beginning. Okay, so what about 10? We said that the numbers are always adjectives. Okay, so barriers stand. So barriers here, like these hurdles, as you can see in the picture. Barriers are, this is the noun. Stand along the track. Along is a preposition, and the track is the other noun. Okay, number 3. Runners jump high over the hurdles. Jump is the verb. I like to identify the verb at the beginning so I can easily recognize the other parts of the sentence. We have runners as a noun. High is an, how can I say it? It's an adverb. And the hurdles, these are the hurdles. You can see them in the photo. So hurdles is the other noun. Very well. The last one, speed, flexibility, and coordination are important for success. Many words here are nouns. First of all, are is the verb. We know that. Okay. And important is an adjective. So nearly all the other words in the sentence are nouns. We have speed, flexibility, coordination, and success. All these are nouns. Now we come to the end of this video lecture. I hope everything was clear. We're going to have our virtual class for more and more explanation and practices. Thank you so much, and see you. Goodbye.